video, we are going to talk about my January and February favorites. I just got done filming this Get Ready With Me, and you've already seen that last week. But I feel like, okay, my stuff is set up. I have a few more minutes before I need to leave. I'm going to share with you in the same makeup and not feel bad about it, things that I've been loving. Huge variety today. Very large variety, but isn't it always? So if you are new, please subscribe. Would love to have you here. Welcome. Make yourself at home. I still have my coffee that I'm drinking. And let's get into this. Wine favorites. This is the Cavalier and Sons Chardonnay. This is a French Chardonnay. It is from 2018. I bought this at Total Wine. You must try this. If you are a Chardonnay lover, you have to try this. If you don't like white wine, you have to try this. This is such a good, crisp, refreshing, really well-balanced Chardonnay, but it's not buttery, sweet, or syrupy at all. It is a much more, it's refreshing. It is good. Like, this to me feels like a really good spring, summer, porch rocking situation. It's so lovely on its own. It's hard to only have one glass. It's that good. And the best part, it's only $10. It is a fantastic Chardonnay at a very great price point. Let me just read. It says, it's very aromatic and full of ripe fruits. Pear and dried banana are followed by hints of oak. Enjoy as an aperitif and with seafood, fish, with a creamy sauce, and goat's cheese. Or I will add on by itself. Watching YouTube, watching my videos. This is a fantastic find. Another fantastic find. I have another one, a third one. Okay, Instagram. That's where I post all of my wine favorites. My username is Garay. Follow me there. That's where I post all of my favorites before they even hit YouTube, kind of thing. Okay, so this is the McManis Family Vineyards. This is a 2017 Petite Sirah, California. Another one, just buy and try. It is so good. Listen, full-bodied, notes of chocolate, caramel, toffee, rich black fruit on the nose and palate. The mid-palate is led by mocha notes that carry through to the long, luxurious finish. I just talked myself into buying another bottle. You guys, this is so good. This is, what did I serve this with? Oh, bolognese. I made a lovely bolognese sauce. This wine, like seriously, these two wines right here, just get them. Just get them, try them, let me know what you think. They are fantastic. All right, I picked up this mascara. This is the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. You know I'm married to the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I have been this entire year. Now in the past I had tried that that mascara, and I didn't like it. But since I've used the New Lash Growth Serum, it has changed the texture and fullness level of my lashes so that mascara works, it jives really well. This mascara I'm liking too. Now this is a completely different type of effect. It's called the Bambi Eye, so essentially it's supposed to really brighten up and widen your eyes because it gives good length kind of thing, basically. Length and curl, and because of the rubber wand with a bunch of little teeth on it, I feel like it gives pretty good separation as well. But I've been liking this, and I haven't just randomly picked up a new mascara, tried it, and thought, oh, this is fantastic in a while. So I don't know if this is new. I think it's newer. I think maybe last year it came out. But I do like this, so I do recommend this, especially if you prefer a brush that has a rubber wand. This is a good one. Okay, let's talk about food because that's what gives me so much joy in life. I have 3 recipes that I tried. I did do an entire video in February here of my family's favorite recipes of the last year. Like, compiled a lot of recipes that I cooked into that video. So I'm going to link that video, put it in a card. Please go over and watch that. I know a lot of you missed out on that one, but we got to eat, right? So it was a great list of fantastic recipes. So the first one I want to mention is this kale salad that is in the, oh crap, I forgot to grab, it's literally right around the corner. It is in the Tiffany Amber, well, it used to be Tiffany Amber Thiessen, but Tiffany Thiessen, I think she goes by, cookbook. Oh, what's it called? Oh, I'll just put a picture of it. Anyways, it was the kale salad that I made out of that. And you all know that, you guys, I've been saying y'all. It's just been falling out of my mouth. I've lived here long enough, and I've heard that word spoken to me so many times that I started saying it. Kale is hard to enjoy, right? But when you pair it with some good feta cheese and like a sweetness like a raisin or a craisin, and you put some feta, I already said that, a good dressing, this salad is fantastic. Oh, and some good nuts. So I'm going to link her cookbook because that recipe is found in her cookbook. It's fantastic. Another recipe, these two recipes, I think, well, the one is on Pinterest. It's a firecracker salmon recipe. So good. You marinate the salmon, then you cook her up. Just absolutely divine. Now that recipe is found on my Pinterest board. It was absolutely delicious. I can't remember if I took a picture, but I don't think I did. I think I ate it before I took a picture. I've done that a few times this week. I'm like, oh crap, I wanted to share that recipe, but you know, it's something that good, like you don't have time to be bothered with the picture. And then the last thing is this bolognese sauce that I made with the, I don't know how to say this, pappardelle pasta. It's that really wide pasta that is so good, and then you put like huge chunks of Parmesan cheese on the top and it just melts, and it's just, oh, pasta, meat, and cheese. Like you're singing my song, red wine, bread, like that is comfort to me at its finest. I used the Marcella Hazan recipe. I've used this recipe before. It is fantastic. My kids loved this sauce. So you need to try that recipe as well. Okay, let's move on to decorating because I've been so into decorating. I'm so excited. I love decorating. I've always enjoyed decorating. I don't know what to do with this. Oh, I forgot to share this. Gee, we're backtracking. Hold up. Keep that thought. We're going to get to the decorating. But I bought this book, The Pioneer Woman. She has lots of books out. But I bought this one. They had it at H-E-B, and it's called The New Frontier, 112 Fantastic Favorites for Everyday Eating. I don't know if this is like a newer one. Let me just check real quick. Gosh, she's so pretty. And her hair, like her naturally red hair is stunning. Let me just check to see when this was printed. It says 2019. Okay, so it's newer, last year. Love this. You know why I love this cookbook? Because she takes pictures of the entire, like all the steps of the recipe as she's doing it. So it's very helpful for someone who's very new to cooking or cookbooks in general, or if you just really need a visual. I love cookbooks, but I really like cookbooks with visuals. Like this is a beautiful cookbook. It is hardcover. It's got a lot of pictures of her family. It's just really like a blog in a book. Oh, just gorgeous. I mean, come on, there's horses in this cookbook. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful display piece, which is how I do my cookbooks. I display them on my counter because they inspire me when I see something. I feel like you're more apt to do something if you see it. You know what I mean? You're more apt to use it if you see it. Okay, end of that. Lukewarm coffee. Not so great. All right, so Walmart. You know, actually, the Pioneer Woman has a lot of her pieces, or like Walmart carries her line of things. So I always have to like walk down that aisle because I really like the colors and all of that involved in her pieces. But that's not what we're talking about. I was at Walmart. That's how we got on this topic. And I found this. So this is two separate things. But I found this cute. Okay, so my light's kind of bright. So we'll hold it back here. This cute tin. It says Farmer's Market, fresh and healthy. And these beautiful sprays of lavender. I'm so into this. So my bathroom is kind of like, I don't even like pastel, but for some reason I kind of went with like a pastel theme, like a spa kind of feel in my bathroom, which I think makes sense. And I saw this lavender color and it kind of is similar to my towels and I'm like, I need this. So Walmart, this is 3 sprigs. I always buy greenery or florals in odd numbers and usually sets of 3 at a time. So I won't buy 2 of anything or 4, I always do 3. 3 or 6. And so I bought those and this, so cheap too. How much was this? You know what? I took off the tags. I don't know. I want to say this was like so cheap. I want to say this whole thing was probably $10 for everything. And how adorable is this? This kind of brings in that whole farmhouse thing that I like, and I love to decorate with nature elements. A lot of nature elements in my house, so I had to share this because I was so impressed. I was like, Walmart! Yeah! And then I went to Target in the dollar section. I never looked there, okay? Because I don't know. There's just a lot of things that I don't really like cheap, inexpensive, like, what am I trying to say? I don't want to offend anybody, but I just don't like stuff that falls apart. I don't like things that are disposable, per se. So I usually breeze over, but they had this, and this caught my eye. Isn't this cute? It goes with the whole aesthetic of my bedroom. I have this like light green color, which I don't even like this color. I don't even like it, but now I'm liking it. I don't know what's going on with me, and you see what I mean? Like it just goes. But I saw this cute little sign in the dollar section. It was $3. So you can hang it if you want to, but I have it on some floating shelves on my wall. And because I've been really into like layering, like designing things, decorating in layers, this is just a cute background piece on my shelf. And it says, let's cuddle, and it matches. And I'm like, this is perfect. And it's $3. Sold. And I don't think this was not in the dollar section. This was in like the decorating section. Cute. I'm so into this right now. I'm hardcore into greens, greenery. I love this small little petite leaf look. I think they would categorize this as like a sort of boxwood, if you will. Look how lively this is. This just livened up my video, actually. Like, and it's so cute. It's like one of those little wreaths you can hang it. Once again, I bought this to conceal something really ugly in my bedroom, to like put in front of it so you don't have to look at it, kind of thing. Layers. But I'm so tempted to go back and get a few more of these, because these are cute, like in the center of mirrors, or obviously on a door, entryway, that kind of thing. Hang them in the center of like those wrought iron windows, or like just like one of those cathedral type windows things that you get at Hobby Lobby. Just so many uses for something like this, and it's adorable, and it's green, it goes year round, but it's just so lively, and I love it. So this was from Target. So this is going to segue into a decorate with me series that I want to do. I think I'm going to do a series, because I think I want to go room by room, or at least area by area, so we can really just hone in and have it be like quick little video where we just decorate and then ta-da! Inspire you, hopefully, and move on to a different room. And I'm really excited to film that, but I have to wait until my husband is no longer here. He's been on leave for a little bit. So that is it for today. I'm sorry I have to go. I don't want to go, but I actually need to go. I need to go and get my car fixed. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be back with more things. I've just kind of had a slow go here at February, but February's been very busy here. You don't know that, but I know that. That's why I've been gone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for much, much more. And in the meantime, check out anything that you missed. Yeah, go watch those food videos. Seriously, I love those videos. I'm so passionate about food and eating, and so I hope it inspires you as well. Thank you guys for watching, and we will chat again soon.